Cammie's ass lifted up in the air, about to change these shocks and springs. And while I was jacking this car up in the garage with the hatch up like an idiot, that happened. I'm beyond pissed. So now I gotta fix that later, but about to change these shocks and those springs. Got everything around her. So I'm gonna see if I can do this within a couple hours. I'll keep y'all posted. I'm still mad. Look, I gotta lift that carpet up to get the top of the spring, the shock. So stupid. I got the shock, the springs on, new shocks, new spring. Had to put a new sway bar link on, cut the old one off. I'm glad I grabbed those ahead of time because I figured it was gonna be some BS. So, aside, it didn't take as long as I thought it was gonna take. It took long enough. So I got the muffler done today, and I did the rear suspension. What's today's date? I don't know, August something, 20. This is the crazy part. It's good to have power tools, all these tools, whatever. But this part is so crazy to me. The shocks, top of them, behind the damn seat. So, whatever, it's done. About to wrap this up. I got some lights to do in the front, like rewire some stuff, so I'll probably knock that out today. The shock springs done. Now I'm about to work on replacing the wiring, fog light, turn signal somewhere around down there. Turn signal burnt out. I guess water got down there. It's down here somewhere. Yeah, probably can't see it. Yeah, burnt. Burnt. About to swap that out. I already started on the fog light. Gotta do that, like, whatever, all that wiring. And did I mention I was still pissed off about this? Where'd it go? No. 30. Finally finished. That side was already good. That turn signal bulb was blown, corroded on the inside. I swapped the electrical out of that. That fog light works now. Swapped the electrical socket out in there. But in the process, this turn signal, side marker light, burnt out. I guess it's corroded inside there as well. So whatever, I'll fix that later. But everything's done. I'm still pissed off about this mark back here. That has to be fixed ASAP. That's all the way down to the plastic. That has to be fixed. I'm so annoyed about that. But we all done. Hard day's work. Worked up a massive appetite. It's time to go eat.